welcome back to my channel. My name is Tania. I'm a part-time reseller. If you're new here or you just joined, I've been a little MIA this summer, but I just wanted to hop on and say thank you so much for all the new subscribers. And thank you to everyone else for being so patient for me. I know I kind of just went MIA this summer. I just wanted to pop in and say hi, I'm back. I'm still here. I still want to do YouTube videos. I do YouTube videos around part-time reselling. I'm also trying to buy a house. That's kind of the reason why I've been MIA for the past year, honestly, because I'm based in California. I'm a part-time reseller. I was planning to move to Texas. So I was kind of going back and forth between Texas and California. I think maybe you got a hint of that because I was like always in Texas. But yeah, I've been going back and forth. I've been going back and forth like every other month. So every other month I was putting my closet on vacation mode. And then when I would come back, I would turn it back on. But then I would only be here for a few weeks before I would put my closet on vacation mode again. Just because like while I was in Texas, even though I was only in Texas for like 1 or 2 weeks at a time, like I just hate dealing with like going back and forth between customers. Some people want their stuff right away. So it was just annoying, even though you could technically, reach out to people and let them know, hey, like I'm going to ship within a week. I'm going to ship in 2 weeks. I just didn't like dealing with that. So I would just put my closet on vacation mode. And then that just kind of would like stall all my activity. Then coming back, I haven't really been listing any new items. So I've just been moving the items that I have in my closet. So I really haven't been putting much effort in because it's just been a very volatile situation. I feel like I tried my best in the beginning of the year. So if you notice, like I did participate in some pop-up sales and things like that. But like after May, I kind of really hit the brakes because since I'm going to like I'm entering this home buying process, I really can't be spending a lot. So a lot of like my buying that I would do buying in bulk. Like yes, I source at like flea markets and like Goodwill, but for like vintage items and a lot of like my specialty items, I have certain dealers that I go to and I have to buy in bulk. So I have to buy like $500, like $1,000 minimums. And since I'm trying to like show a steady income and everything, like I can't really be buying sporadically like I used to. Like before, if I would come across like a good vintage haul and it was $1,500 or $1,000 or whatever, I would put it down and buy it because I knew I would flip my money. But like I can't really be doing that while I'm trying to buy a house because I have to show steady income and steady like payments. I can't be having like big excessive charges. See a light at the end of the tunnel. Hopefully by the end of the year we'll be in a home. We'll be first-time homeowners. I'm like things are happening, so hopefully soon we'll get into a home. And then once I get into a home, then I won't need a storage unit anymore, and it'll cut down so much on my spending. I'll be able to actually start buying again and start curating, thinking of like participating in pop-up shops, just knowing where I'm gonna be. Like right now I don't know where I'm gonna end up, so my stuff is in storage. Not really motivated to list anything and put it into inventory when I know I'm gonna have to move it like in the next 30 days. Like I'm kind of just like selling what I have. Hopefully once we get into a home, I'll be able to start up fresh again and build up a new inventory system. Oh my god, it's so hot. That's where I've been this summer. I've just been flying back and forth between California and Texas. I'm back in California and I might stay here, hopefully. Who knows if we get this house. My content's not going to change. I'm still going to do contents around reselling, but hopefully I'll be able to share more like DIYs, like a home renovation, things like that. So yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for being patient for me, checking in with me, and just to all the new subscribers, I hope you continue on this journey. I feel like I've failed this year in the sense that I'm not going to scale my business at all just because I've been putting it on pause. But I'm still part-time reselling. I'm still going to do my I think I left off in May, so I still have June, July, August, what sold, because I still sold stuff even though I wasn't listing anything new. I still had sales, so I'm still going to show those. I now sell on Whatnot. I signed up for Whatnot in June. I got approved in July. I mean, I'm not a pro seller on Whatnot whatsoever. I'm still figuring it out, but I think I've done like 5 shows, like at 80 sales. So definitely have been dipping my toes into Whatnot. I'm gonna do a series of videos on Whatnot as my experience as a buyer and my experience as a seller, because I do have some thoughts. Don't worry, I'm not like a Whatnot. Like, Whatnot's not replacing any of my platforms. It's just an add-on tool for me personally, at least. So yeah, I have some videos lined up. I'm thinking of participating in Vlogtober, just because I want to kick my activity again. I'm just like really excited to like end the year with a bang and start being active on YouTube, because I really do enjoy making videos and editing them and uploading, and I feel like it keeps me like on a regime. It just keeps me creatively motivated. So I did miss that. So I just wanted to pop in and say, I missed you guys. I'm back. I do have a plan of action for the rest of the year. And yeah, I'm back. Hopefully I don't have to travel anymore, and you'll come along on this journey with me. So thank you guys so much. I just wanted to say I hope you had a great summer. I hope everyone's getting back into their fall routines. I hope it cools down, or it's already cool where you are. I know here in LA it's been a crazy heat wave, and I'm over it. I'm ready for some fall. I'm ready for some cooler weather. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned. I'm still gonna do a Monday, Wednesday schedule. So I have things lined up. I have videos scheduled. I have plans. I have a list of content, and I'll be here every Monday and Wednesday. So thank you guys so much. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.